Hello there, fabulous, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do this super quick and easy smoky eye makeup tutorial that I wear to work. I got the idea of doing this because I wore it for the past week, like almost every single day, because it's so easy to do, and I got so many compliments from my coworkers and everybody that I saw at work, and I thought, why not share it on YouTube for you guys so you guys can sport it as well at work if you want to, or just any day though that you want to do it. Remember to subscribe, you guys. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and let's go ahead and get started. I already have my foundation on, pretty much my base products on, and my eyebrows, so we're gonna jump right into the eyeshadow part. So let's go ahead and start with the eye primer, and as usual I'm going to be using my MONI eyeshadow primer because that's my favorite. What can I say? Okay, for this tutorial I'm going to be using again my Matte for Matte palette from e.l.f. I just fell in love with it again ever since that e.l.f. video I made, and I'll link that one up here so you guys can watch it. And another one that I fell in love with again recently, it's my L'Oreal Infallible little eyeshadow pot. Do you guys remember this one? And this is like a super popular color. It's Umber Rush. It's so good, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be setting my eyeshadow primer with this shade right here. Okay, that's a little bit better. And then for the crease I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm just going to smoke that out in the crease with just a fluffy brush. This one is from Morphe, E27 I guess. Just with a slightly smaller fluffy crease brush. This one is from Wet n Wild, it's the P20. I'm going to take this shade right here and also work it on the crease. There we go. And with this tiny brush from MUA Professional Brushes that I got this at CVS, I think, I'm going to work this color right here, just on the outer corner, outer V corner, just to smoke it out just a tiny bit. And then I'm just gonna take those two colors again and blend everything together. Alright, so that's done. That's pretty much all the work we're gonna do for the crease. Now we're gonna be taking a shading brush. This is just a regular shading brush, you guys, nothing special to it. I'm going to be applying the Umber Rush all over my lid. This one does have a tiny bit of fallout, so be careful, you guys. Just make sure you tap it before you apply it to the lid if you already have your foundation on. Oh, this color is so pretty, you guys. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, let's take that brush again, and same thing, just with those two colors, just blend everything. Make sure there are no hard edges after applying that. How pretty is that? And before we do anything else, we're gonna be moving on to the lower eyelid. Same thing, guys, we're just gonna be using the same color, so I'm gonna be using that first color first and smoke it out underneath the lash line. With the same brush, I'm gonna be going again with this color. And And then with a very small brush like this, I'm going to be going with that color and just closer to the lash line than the other two. This one's from Wet n Wild. And just go back with this one and blend everything together. Now here comes the little bit of the tricky part. Not tricky, but what makes this look a little extra. I'm gonna be going with this Physician Formula eyeliner pencil, and this is in the color Warm Nude Eyes. It's not warm, guys, it's a very brown color. As you can see, almost like a shimmery brown. I got this in an eyeliner trio. It comes with another one that's very close to the color of the Amber Ash and a regular black pencil, but it's very creamy. I really like it for this type of look. So with this, I'm going to line my top lid. See if I can do this and not get off camera. It doesn't matter if you're messy, guys. Just try to put it as close to the lash line as you can, but again, it does not matter if it's messy. Now, with this brush that we use on the bottom line, remember this one? It's a very tiny brush. It looks like this. We're going to extend this and make like a soft cat eyeline, just like this. You can go back if you need more color. Basically, we're just smoking out that eyeliner, but also creating a soft cat eye. So you can see I kind of like to start here. Instead of going and dragging the color here, start here and dragging it down so that you don't pull as much of the color up, because if it's too much, it's not going to look right. And again, you can apply more pigment if you need to. And then we're going to be smoking out this on the bottom waterline. So we're just going to be putting it not so much on the waterline, just a little bit below, very close to the waterline though. And then with that little brush, pencil brush, we're gonna smoke it out. Just like that. And then with this tiny little pencil brush, we're going to build up the color just on the inner corner. Just like that. And then I'm gonna be taking that light shade right there to highlight the brow bone a little bit. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara now. For mascara, I'm gonna be using my Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. And I apply these to the lower lash line as well. Okay, and for bronzer, I'm just gonna be using my number 7 bronzer from Target. And for blush, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution blush in the color Nude. This is so pretty, you guys. Look at that shade. Okay, for lips, I just did a very natural lip with the e.l.f. lip liner that I found that I didn't expect to love so much. And then I applied the lip tinted oil also from e.l.f. in Nude Kiss. I'm just going for a very natural lip here. Okay, you guys, this is the final product right here. I got so many compliments from this look at work this past week. I was wearing it every single day, and I'm telling you, so many of my coworkers were loving this look on me. So I hope you guys like it as well. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you do. It's so simple, guys. It's with all products that I love and I swear by, and you guys need to try those products if you haven't yet. Again, it should take you less than 10 minutes to create this eye makeup look. It's super easy, you guys. You don't have to be super precise about it, and it just looks like you're trying without really trying. You know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you try it out. Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you back here again. I usually post twice a week, maybe 3 times if I have the time, but nonetheless, I am always posting here on YouTube. I love doing this for you guys. So without rambling anymore, remember guys that feeling fabulous, it's all a state of mind. Bye guys.